Novacom designs and develops in France vortex cabinet coolers for electrical cabinets. In an industrial environment, electrical cabinets are often exposed to temperature rises, which can cause overheating of their internal components. This can lead to malfunctions or even equipment failures. A vortex cooler can help avoid these issues by regulating the temperature inside the cabinet. This air cooler will also slightly pressurize the electrical cabinet, which will prevent any risk of dust clogging. To install a vortex cabinet cooler, start by drilling a 25 mm diameter hole on the top of the cabinet. Then insert the device and tighten the lock nut to ensure good stability and proper sealing. Next, drill some holes in the cold air distribution pipe, prioritizing overheating areas. This will optimally cool the components most sensitive to heat. Use cable ties to secure the cold air distribution pipe inside the electrical cabinet. This ensures the pipe remains in place and does not interfere with other components. Then connect the vortex cooler to a compressed air distribution network set at 7 bars. Install the filter regulator and the solenoid valve close to the air cooler to ensure the quality of the compressed air supply and a precise airflow control. Finally, install the thermostat, which will control the solenoid valve, ensuring a constant and precise temperature. Connect the thermostat directly to the electrical panel and to the solenoid valve. Set the thermostat to the desired temperature and ensure that the cabinet is perfectly sealed. This type of air cooler is designed for electrical cabinets with a maximum volume of about 2 cubic meters, depending on the chosen vortex generator. Therefore, they offer a solution suitable for a wide range of applications. With your Novacom vortex cabinet cooler, you are now ready to prevent overheating and ensure the longevity of your electrical equipment.